Hey everybody, my name is Cole, and today we are going to be announcing some giveaways I will be doing. The very first giveaway that we'll be doing is, as you can see, I have $29,907 in Roblox Jailbreak. Now, I will be the first person who gets picked. So comment down below what your favorite vehicle in Jailbreak is. Oh my gosh, we just went over the border. I'm dead. Yep. Okay, well anyways, comment your favorite vehicle and I will pick the best comment. Don't worry, all the vehicles are great. You know. No! Alright. Well, all the vehicles are great. Okay? I don't have my personal opinion on them. I just like them. My favorite is the ATV. So, what I would like you guys to do is comment down below your favorite vehicle. I will pick one and I will give you, if you ever join me on Roblox Jailbreak, you will get 30K if you have enough time to play with me. So, like, if you have enough time, like, to join, you know, and everything, and play, so that I can give you the 30K, you will get 30K. And I promise this to you guys. This is a 30K giveaway on Roblox Jailbreak. So if you're like 30K off of, like, the Ferrari or SWAT car, for example, or wait, no, you need a pass for the SWAT car, what am I saying? Of the, whatever, the Lambo, whatever it is, I will give it to you if you have the best comment. And I hope you guys enjoy it. The second giveaway, however, will be me giving away a Roblox gift card. You can get Robux, yes, or OBC, or any BC using it. I believe it may be a $25 gift card, I think. I don't know which one it will be. It might be $10. But, guys, I just want to thank you also for all the support you've been giving me. It's a real big help. And, anyways, let's just play some Jailbreak. Hopefully, you guys get the best comments. Oh, and for the $25 or whatever dollar gift card giveaway, you will have to comment what the fastest vehicle is on your knowledge. And the first thing I see that is the fastest vehicle, they will get a Roblox gift card. I know it sounds easy, but it's not starting now. I will tell you guys in a video when it starts. It is not starting now. And I guarantee you this because I probably would tell you if it started, right? But it's not starting now. It'll start a little bit later when I have one. But you guys enjoy the video. And yeah, so we're just gonna, play some Jailbreak as a cop. And oh, that's a cop. Okay. And I'm gonna show you guys that the Lamborghini, the Lambo, can ramp onto the satellites. Now I know it sounds crazy because that's like what, a 50-meter jump, or in Roblox a 50 stud jump. But I promise you guys, the Lambo can make it. I've done it before. I hope it makes it. I don't want to keep doing this because I want to play Jailbreak. But, guys, I'm going to show you that the Lambo level 5 engine can ramp over the satellites. Let's go. Boom! On the satellite. First try, man. And really, all you can do up here is just drift. I mean, that's what this is for, practicing drifting. Oh my gosh, that was so close. So you go like this, You know, you can just drift. Or you can do whatever up there, just hide from cops. You really need to hide. Is this a crim? This is a crim. This is a criminal. I'm going to make you suffer, sir. You're not gonna get away from me. You know this. You know this. Yep, you probably should have known that. Oh, thanks for the free. Thanks for this. Thank you. Thank you, man. It's really polite of you to give me your ATV. No. Okay. Okay. You know what? I'm not gonna let you drive, but you know, I will drop you off at a new ATV. So, there you go, sir. Enjoy your ATV. I feel kind of mean. But, you know, he still got an ATV. And I got a level 5 engine ATV, so. But look how fast this thing is! For a little four-wheeler vehicle, it's faster than a Lambo. Like, this doesn't make sense. Look at this. It's probably because it's just so lightweight. I wish you could, like, color your tires, by the way. How much is the Mini Cooper? I'm not going to spend anything on it, but if you guys didn't know, there is a Mini Cooper, and I am not wasting my money on this. Or am I? No. No. I wouldn't do that to you guys. But as you guys can see, there's your 30K. First comment that on this video that says what your favorite vehicle is, and I'll pick the best comment, and whoever wins that gets 30K cash on Roblox Jailbreak. And you'll have to join me, and I may have to friend you. So if you want to join me, I may have to friend you. So I don't really know how that's all going to plan out, but I'm not going to friend you forever. I'm sorry. But, like, you know, it's kind of YouTuber's code. You can't, like, really have a friend forever that's your fan. I know some of my fans are actually some of my friends I know in real life, and I'm friends with them on Roblox. But I mean, you guys are cool and everything. I mean, duh. But, you know, we don't really know each other, so that's why I'm not gonna, you know, go ahead and friend you guys. I mean, nothing against you, but I can't friend you guys. But, and look, it's so good for donuts, too. Perfect donut. Alright, but that's not what we're here for. We're here to go catch criminals. If I can get out of the lake. Hold up. Yeah! Let's go catch some crims. Someone just hopped the fence? What? So, I heard if you do this. Oh, it doesn't work. Well, on the motorcycle. Where's the motorcycle? Here's the motorcycle. Anyways, guys, on the motorcycle, you can do this. Wait. Okay, it doesn't go like that. Not in the passenger seat. In the driver's seat, you can go like this. And look at this! Look how weird it is! Dude, my feet are the wheel. And it makes it go faster? This doesn't make any sense. But my face hurts, so I'm gonna get off. Ah! Okay. Okay. Let's go upgrade our bike, and we're gonna catch ourselves some criminals. I don't know why I switched to the bike from the ATV. But I did. If that was a criminal, I'm gonna go upgrade my engine, and I'm gonna go after him. And I also realized if you use the bike backwards, it's faster. For some reason. I don't think that really matters with a level 5 engine. Someone's in there. And they will die. Hola! ¿Cómo estás? Bro, open up. Bro, come on. All I want is your bounty. Bro, this isn't fair. This isn't fair to my fans. This isn't fair to me. Who are you? Okay, there's legit no one in here. Someone is robbing the bank! Guys, it was a criminal! We're gonna go get him. Let's go get him. Hi. I don't even really care. I'm just gonna go arrest this guy in the bank. If you don't mind, sir. The bike is so hard to control. Guys, don't buy the bike with 30K. It's so hard to control. Like, really hard. I mean, if you're a good driver, I mean, go ahead, suit yourself, but I can't. How did you... What? What just happened? Okay. Guys, I have no idea what just happened, but we're gonna go after this guy. Let me just, steal this truck real quick, and I have no idea where he went. Oh, hey! Hey, man! Hey, man! You're not going anywhere. Why? Die. Die. What? How was he innocent? How was he innocent? This guy's getting arrested. Popping his tires, and he's getting arrested. What if I, kinda... Get wrecked, you stupid paynark. Eat my dust. Anyways, he walked his... Wow. You stupid nubs. Stupid nub. You look cool, but you're a stupid nub. Okay? I don't know why people send me friend requests, but, thank you. I'm not gonna accept your friend request, but thank you. That's all the time we have for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. Make sure to comment down below what your favorite vehicle is, and I will choose the best. Oh, what? You said you want some Robux, 10K. What? Okay, anyways, guys. That's all the time we have for this video.